What if I told you that one of the most overlooked space in your home could become its most beautiful feature? I am talking about the space under your stairs. Most people use it for storage or simply ignore it. But with a few thoughtful design choice and right house plants, you can turn that forgotten corner into a cozy reading corner and a relaxing green escape or even the most Instagram worthy spot in your home. Before we dive in, I just want to take a moment to say thank you to every single one of you watching from around the world. Recently, I received such a kind message from one of our viewers in San Antonio, Texas, and it made my day. And knowing that these videos are reaching homes across different countries and helping people create space they truly love means more to me than I can express. So, wherever you are watching from, thank you for being here. Now, let's transform that forgotten space under your stairs into a something truly beautiful. Every home has at least one area that's often forgotten. For many of us, it is the space under the stairs. Instead of letting it collect boxes or random household items, think of it as extra living space. Interior designers don't see this as wasted space, they see an opportunity. And today I will show you exactly how to make the most of it. Before buying any furniture or plants, ask yourself one simple question. What do I want this space to become? A relaxing reading corner, a beautiful indoor garden, a coffee nook, or simply an elegant feature that welcomes guests? Once you decide its purpose, every decorating decision becomes much easier. Now comes my favorite part, plants. Plants instantly make any empty space feel alive. If your staircase gets bright indirect light, plants like monstera, fiddle leaf fig, or a bird of paradise work beautifully. For dark space, snake plant, ZZ plant, peace lily, and pothos are excellent choice because they tolerate lower light conditions. Instead of placing just one plant, create layers. Use one tall plant on the floor, medium plant on the stand, and a smaller plant on the shelves. They layered look instantly feel more professional. If space allows, add more. You can add one comfortable chair or a small bench, a soft cushion, a cozy blanket, and a small side table can completely transform this corner. Suddenly, it becomes a place where you actually want to spend time, not just walk past. Lighting is one of the biggest secret of great interior design. If there is a little natural light, add a warm floor lamp or a small table lamp. Warm lighting makes plant look healthier and creates a peaceful atmosphere especially in the evening. Avoid filling every inch with decorations. Instead, choose just a few meaningful pieces, perhaps a framed artwork, a woman basket, candles, a wooden shelf. Remember, beautiful space are not created by adding more. They are created by choosing better. I would love to hear from you. How do you currently use the space under your stairs? Is it still empty? Is it used for storage? Or have you already transformed it into something beautiful? Tell me in the comments because I read your comments and many of my future videos are inspired by your ideas. Your message, especially from viewers across the United States, including Texas, means so much to me, and knowing that these ideas are helping you make your home more beautiful is and what motivates me to keep creating. Here is one last designer secret. When someone walks into your home, their eyes naturally notice the most interesting corner. Why not make that corner the space under your stair? Instead of hiding it, turn it into feature that reflect your personality. Sometimes the most beautiful part of home is not the biggest room. It is the space that has been designed with care. Before I say goodbye, I would love to hear from you. Tell me in the comments where you are watching from and how you would decorate the space under your stairs. I always enjoy reading your comments, and many of my future videos are inspired by your ideas. And once again, a special thank you to the wonderful viewer from San Antonio, Texas, whose kind message reminded me that this amazing community is growing all around the world. No matter where you are watching from, we are all connected by one simple passion, creating beautiful, comfortable home. Thank you for being part of this journey.